Hello, this is Sandy Thomas, and I'm in the CSC 322A mobile application development course. And here is my first half of my Meals app. So, I want to show my progress in Udemy here all the way up until 170. There we go. Here is my working app up until this point here. We have our categories. I'll click the first one here. We'll go there. As you see, we have the ingredients and scrollable. We can favorite. There we go. I'll mark this one as well. And here you can see we can go to favorites, unfavorite it. You'll see it's gone. Unfavorite again. And you see that that's gone. So I'm going to explain my code now from top to bottom by folder. So I will start in the data folder, and in the data folder we have our dummy data dart file. And in the dummy dart data file, it's divided into two sections. And so we have a constant list of category objects like we saw with the little tables. We have like quick and easy meals, hamburgers, German, whatever, blah, 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 keep going on. And then we have the dummy meals for each section and their ingredients, the time it takes, the affordability, and their complexity. Moving on to the models folder, we have our category Dart file. And all the category Dart file does is define the category model. And each category has an ID, a title, and a specified color. And that's all that this file does. Our meal Dart file has two enums, complexity and affordability. And also, for these fields, it has all of our categories, titles, our images, ingredients, lactose free, and on and on and on I can go. With our screens, here we have our categories.dart file. And so this is our main category screen that we see here. So this file deals with everything on here that we see right there. So tapping the category navigates you to a meal screen, and you can filter the meals with the meal screen, and it has the meals filtered by the category. So quick and easy, it has these certain ones. And same thing for breakfast, only pancakes fit in the breakfast description there. And so then we have our meal details.dart file here. And so what this one does is it displays the full details of the selected meal. So when we click, all the details that you see, this shows it. And so then it shows the image, the ingredients list, and the steps to make it. And also here, we also have our star button method. So here you see our steps. And it's not a method, but this file is where we also deal with our star button for toggling on and off right here, as you see on toggle favorite meal, and we have the on press to deal with that functionality. For our meals Dart file, this displays a list of meals for every category or the favorites as well. And so this has an error handling prompt. So the error handling prompt is, if there's no favorites, nothing here. And try selecting a different category here. This also builds our list view. Let me go to the list view. So here we go. It builds our list view of meal item widgets if it's not empty here. So if it is empty, we have the arrow handling, and if it's not empty, we have our list view here. And tapping a meal from this file takes you to the meal details screen. Our tabs Dart file here, this displays the bottom navigation tabs at the bottom where we have our categories and our favorite, and that deals with it. We have a list that here, our favorite meals list. This is what shows all of our favorite meals that we favorited, and the favorites bottom navigation. And so these are our messages here. So if we star something, it's marked as favorite, and that's the snack bar that you see at the bottom come up. But if we unstar it, then the meal is no longer a favorite, and that's what deals with that as well. So now we're on our widgets. So we go to our category grid item dart. So this displays the category tiles. So each category tiles, like you see quick and easy, Italian, German, breakfast. This is the file that deals with all the functionality of that. It makes the rounded radius, and yeah, that deals with the UI of that, those functions. So in our meal item trait Dart file, this is a helper widget for our meal traits. So this has a required icon and a required label. And in here, this is what we use to identify and label what our meals are. In our meal item Dart file here, this is what displays a single meal, and it shows image, title, duration, complexity, and affordability for each meal. So when it says, oh, it takes 20 minutes and it's a simple meal, this is the file that deals with all of that. So finally here in our main.dart file, this is the file that all Dart and Flutter applications have. This is the file that renders our UI and our code to the screen and to our emulators to see the progress and everything that we change. So I'm Sandy, and thank you for listening to me for my video today.